Hello and welcome to another Minute Squash. Today we are going to introduce you to the key features of the Search Workspace in the latest Squash interface. Here we are in the test case workspace and we can see that in our library we have two projects that have been selected via the project filter here. So first, to access the Search Workspace, there is a search button on the top of the library. This button is also available in the same place in the requirement and campaign workspace. Clicking on it, we access the test case search page. Here on the left, we can add search criteria, and on the right, the search results, which will be automatically updated each time I change the perimeter of the criteria on the left-hand side here. By default, the search perimeter is the same as the project filter, so we have our two projects here, but we can change the perimeter clicking here and selecting or deselecting a project. The custom tab here allows you to select one or multiple directories to define the search perimeter. For instance, I want to search test cases only in this directory. I confirm and it's automatically updated. I click the new search button to reinitiate the search criteria, and the panel on the left allows me also to add new criteria by selecting the Add a Criterion button and order by different kinds, such as information, history, automation, attributes, content, and associations. In our example, let's say that we want only the test cases from our project with an approved status and a work in progress status. Then I can add another criterion, such as, for instance, the weight of the test cases, which will be only the very high. Then I want to select another criteria, which is the name, and I only want the test cases with the term bunker in their name. Update, and we have only the very important test cases with a status approved or work in progress and containing bunker in their name. Each test case displayed in the search result page can be modified by selecting one of their attributes, for instance, the reference. I see that there is no reference for these two test cases, so I add a reference here, for instance, and another here. Will be automatically updated also in the test case consultation page. Then you can mass modify certain attributes by clicking on this button. So to begin, select the test cases you want to modify and click the Modify the Attributes button. Select, for instance, an attribute and change these attributes as wanted. It will be updated. These attributes in the test case search page are this one, but if you want to mass modify different elements in the requirements or campaign workspaces, it will be different attributes. To finish, I wanted to show you the export button, which allows you to export the test cases you have selected in an XLS file. And we have different options that you can select or deselect here. In our next video, we will see how to identify tests to rerun thanks to the search page. So see you very soon for a new Minute Squash.